welcome back to Kayleigh's Crafts. Today we'll be showing you how to make some stamps using things you can find around your home. So the first thing you want to do is get some paint and pop that in a little bowl or a plate. For our first stamp you're going to need some sponge or a piece of cardboard, some string, a pair of scissors and some glue. Have a think about the kind of design you'd like to put on your stamp. What I'm going to do for my first stamp is cut up lots of little bits of string to create an effect. So now I've got my little pieces of string. What I need to do now is take some glue and glue a layer of glue over my piece of cardboard like this. And then I'm going to place my string however I would like my design to look. Have a think about the kind of designs you could make. You could do a letter, you could do a pattern, you could do something completely random. So I'm happy with that. What we're going to do is paint onto our string and then we can stamp that straight down, push our stamp down and lift up. And there we go. That is an easy stamp with string and cardboard. Have a think about other things you can glue string onto. Here we have glued string onto a sponge. So, what else can you find around the house that can be used as a stamp? Have a little think about what could be used in your bathroom. For example, you could use something as simple as a cotton bud. You dab that in your paint and straight away you can stamp that onto your paper and make a few different designs. Do you have an old makeup brush lying around somewhere? If so, why not give that a go? So dab that in your paint and then gently dab onto your paper. This looks a little bit like water droplets after the rain. If any of you watched our caterpillar video last week, you will have seen that we used marshmallows to stamp on our caterpillar body. So again, we can use our marshmallow as a stamp. So just dab that straight into the paint and then straight onto the paper. And you've got a really easy circle stamp. And don't forget you can use your little mini marshmallows as well to make your smaller circles. And there we go. So not only do you have food in your kitchen, you also have utensils that could be used as a stamp. Take something as simple as a straw. What you can do is make very small circles, dip the end of your straw in your paint, and there we go, tiny little circles. Even something as simple as a milk carton lid can be used as a stamp. If you do it this way, you can create a circle outline, or if you turn it the other way, you can create your big circles. So have a think about the things you can use around your home that could be used as a stamp for your artwork. If you have made your own stamps using anything we've talked about today, please do share it on social media, tagging Creative Eye and Norden Farm Centre for the Arts using that hashtag Kayleigh's Crafts so that we can see what you've made. Stay crafty and I'll see you next time.